Welcome to Stick Shift Hot Wheels. Today I'm doing a review on the Hot Wheels California Custom 63 split window Corvette and the C4 Corvette convertible. And these cars were part of the California Custom series, which featured neon paint or chrome finishes. They featured neon wheels. They normally had some kind of 90s style graphic on the sides and the tops of the cars. Some of the cars featured Real Rider tires. They came with this little plastic medallion, and they also came with this little sticker sheet. Anyways, I think these cars are really cool because they definitely have a classic Hot Wheels 90s look. These came out in 91. I could see how these cars wouldn't be for everyone, and I think they maybe only sold somewhat well in California. Anyways, I think they're absolutely awesome. The back of the card shows that there's other cars to collect. I find it interesting that they don't actually really show you or tell you what they are. And then there's also this Wild Wave stunt set, which has this cool loop. Comes with a Woody with surfboards attached to it. Just to note, if you like these cars and you're looking at the chromed finish ones and possibly the others as well, I would highly suggest buying them carded. These plastic chrome bodied cars scratch really easily. So if you were to buy one loose for my collection, it probably wouldn't be mint condition. I've seen a lot of these cars with these stickers just plastered all over the car, the hood, the sides. It would be an absolute mess to try to get those stickers off. It'd probably hurt the finish. So anyways, if you like these cars, buy a couple of these carded. I think you're gonna like them. So I'll start with the 63 split window Corvette. And the blister is kind of unique because it has these two other pockets here. Has speed points in there. So let's just see how this goes. Holy shit, that's hard.
That's what she said.
Here we go. Try and do this without totally wrecking the package. These cars must have had a lot of imperfections from the factory because there's a spot on the roof here. Looks like there's a little bit of tampo work there. And unfortunately, because the blister is all yellowed, you can't even really see these imperfections until you get the car out of the package. That's really unfortunate. Damn, there's a huge friggin' scratch in it. Oh well. Well, sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. It'll still look great in my case and what I want to do with it, but it's unfortunate. All right, see if I can get this decal sheet out of here. Okay, yeah, that's how, that's what happens when you have yellowed blister pack from 1990. It just friggin' breaks off. Oh, don't tell me they taped it on. Are you freaking kidding me? Thanks, Hot Wheels. God damn. Yep, it's taped on for anyone's reference. Alright, so there's a couple of decals that say turbo. There's a stripe with an arrow. There's signs for Malibu and Hollywood on here. There's license plates that say Hot and Surf, Welcome to Beverly Hills. That's kind of cool. Little flame. A little smiley face. Kind of weird. Okay. Alright, next up is the C4 Corvette convertible. The C4 custom Corvette convertible, I should say. Alright, well, we'll see how this car is. I hope it's not as scratched. I don't know. It may be too far gone. I have no idea. Alright, it's free. There's a little bit of scratches on it, but not too bad. Huh. And this car doesn't, oh, there we go. This car doesn't want to roll very well. QC issues, 1990, here we go. Very cool though. Alright, well, I'm a little disappointed with the imperfections in the C2, but C4 looks relatively okay. I mean, it definitely has scratches all over it. Or something in the finish. It's weird. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe from all these years of rubbing in the blister pack for 30 years could do it. And this car has the same sticker pack and the same medallion here. Managed to get the medallion out. That was a bit of a struggle. Has this chrome-like finish on it. Has a little Corvette on it. They must have been available for 90 and 91. I could see where these cars would have been popular in California, quite possibly. Other parts of the United States, I could see where no one would have bought them because the colors were too wild, and that's the other thing with these cars. They have a very beach theme. I believe the cars were like $2 or $3. Let's see. Well, apparently it was $2.69. So considering a regular mainline Hot Wheels in 1990 was 99 cents, this was actually a really good deal if you think of it like a car culture car that's, you know, $5 today. So considering these had real riders, the special neon paint or chrome finishes, I think these were actually a really good deal. You know, they're on these big cards, you got the stickers, you got the medallion. So yeah, some of the cars had real riders, like some of them it was the same car as this. Some had real riders, some didn't. The real rider versions I think were harder to find, I would assume, since they don't seem to be as prevalent. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the Hot Wheels California Customs 63 split window and custom Corvette convertible. If you liked this video, you may also like to watch some of my other Hot Wheel Corvette videos. Have a great day!